Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Chrome devices on all of your computers, laptop, even your phone, even your tablet, okay? So the key here is having Google account. Make sure that Google account is active and you have, you can access to it because you can have codes with that being sent to you by Google. So basically, please open a Google account or rather Google Chrome on your end. And basically, if you're seeing here that I'm using a OS of a Windows, please don't be afraid if you're using Mac. They're basically the same thing, okay? The process is literally the same. So with this one, this should be the landing page of your Google Chrome. Now, let's say this device, for example, the one I'm using right now is not currently synced, okay? Make sure you log in your Google account and then click on your picture right there on the top right. As you can see, your sync is on. Let me just turn it off for your for just discussion purposes, okay? And with this one, for example, I just log in here. This is a new device, this is a new laptop. I just log in my Gmail on this Google Chrome, okay? Basically, again, click on your phone, or rather your photo right there. Simply click turn on sync. If you click on turn on sync, just click on yes, I'm in. And basically, this device is now synced all over your Google account, all over your devices, for example, laptop or Windows, PC, even your devices or your phone, okay? And that's how you sync Google account or Google Chrome on all of your devices. So basically, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Please hit the like button and subscribe, okay? Have a safe one, guys.